Amidst a landscape dominated by advanced military technology, the innovative Corvo precision payload delivery system, a humble yet formidable paper aircraft, emerges as a surprising asset in Ukraine's conflict with Russia. A flat-packed cardboard drone hailing from Australia. Swiftly assembled, this unassuming drone belies its potential, capable of carrying an impressive 11-pound payload and traveling up to 75 miles to supply the front lines with ammunition, food, and medicine. While its publicized role appears benign, the reality unveils a stealthy, versatile system adept at reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and discreetly deploying small explosive devices against unsuspecting adversaries. Challenging conventional notions, this economical drone defies expectations, showcasing that military value doesn't necessitate high costs or cutting-edge technology. Its transformation of commonplace materials into potent weaponry underscores the principle that potency can emerge from even the most ordinary origins. The paper drone. Amid the ongoing conflict with Russia since 2022, Ukraine has embarked on a significant expansion of its drone fleet. This expansion encompasses a diverse array of new models, including an unconventional paper plane drone sourced from Australia. While the Ukrainian armed forces currently employ thousands of small quadcopter drones, the operators often grapple with their limited range. This has led to a preference for the extended operational scope offered by fixed-wing designs. In a noteworthy press release, SciPac, a company based in Melbourne, proudly announced the successful production and delivery of their distinctive fixed-wing paper drone, the Corvo Precision Payload Delivery System, to Ukraine. This notable accomplishment follows the allocation of funds by the Australian Defence Department to facilitate the acquisition of crucial defence technology and equipment for Ukraine. Amanda Holt, the CEO of SciPac, emphasized the significance of this achievement, stating, "PPDS is an Australian capability that will empower the Ukrainian people in safeguarding our nation," showcasing the world-class autonomous systems expertise within the Australian industry. She underscored that this capability emerged from an innovative collaboration with the Army and the Defence Innovation Hub, highlighting the crucial role of partnership between the defense sector and industry in advancing capabilities. While the PPDS drone's design may be simple and fundamental, it surpasses certain homemade drones utilized by the Ukrainian forces for bombing missions. This superiority is attributed to its remarkably advanced software and ingenious engineering, contributing to its effectiveness and impact on the battlefield. The resilient autonomy. Propelled into action via catapult, the paper drone unmistakably demonstrates its versatility and resilience within challenging environments, a pivotal attribute for military endeavors beset by technical intricacies, much like the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Despite its composition differing from the sturdiness of metal or plastic, these paper drones are expertly wax-coated to withstand adverse weather conditions, ensuring their operational readiness. Functioning with autonomy, these paper drones proficiently initiate takeoff, navigate flight paths, and execute landings. This level of independence alleviates the cognitive burden on soldiers during operations, liberating them from the need to control or even closely monitor the drones throughout their sorties. While utilization of GPS guidance is employed whenever possible, the control software boasts a remarkable capability. It can deduce the drone's location based on its speed and trajectory. This ingenious feature ensures that even under the hindrance of radio jamming, the PPDS can continue its missions uninterrupted. Such capability emerges as an imperative asset in the context of Ukraine, where Russian electronic warfare efforts have reportedly succeeded in neutralizing numerous drones. Innovative packaging. The payload delivery system drones distinguish themselves through their ingenious packaging design, characterized by the convenience of flat packs. This design enables efficient shipping, as 24 pizza-sized boxes can be accommodated on a single pallet. Within these boxes lie the essential components for drone assembly, materials, tools, motors, and batteries. This innovative packaging approach empowers frontline troops to swiftly deploy these drones with minimal experience or technical proficiency, akin to the process of purchasing affordable furniture and assembling it at home. Upon experimentation, Australian soldiers discovered that assembling the Corvo Precision Payload Delivery System (PPDS) drones proved to be a straightforward task. The process merely necessitates the use of a glue gun, knife, tape, rubber bands, and a spanner for propeller attachment. Lance Corporal Will Collier, interviewed by a military blog, shared his insights on the assembly process. He noted that although specific components demanded meticulous attention, the precision manufacturing of the flat pack kit streamlined the process, rendering the Corvo PPDS remarkably easy to put together in its entirety. Invisible valor. Consider a plethora of scenarios wherein an inconspicuous, self-governing, nearly invisible, and disposable fixed-wing drone plays a pivotal role. Visualize the scene. As twilight envelops the contested terrain, a Corvo Persistent Payload Delivery System drone is clandestinely launched from a concealed position within the depths of the Ukrainian defense lines. Crafted from humble cardboard, resembling an enlarged model airplane, this drone gracefully glides into the darkening sky, remaining impervious to radar detection and evading auditory notice. Its mission is dual-pronged. Initially, it's assigned the critical task of delivering vital medical provisions to a besieged frontline unit, isolated from its supply route. Guided by its intricate navigation system, the drone descends noiselessly over the predetermined drop zone, liberating a compact container brimming with essential bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers. Having fulfilled the first facet of its mission, the drone ascends once more, altering its trajectory to venture deeper into enemy-held territory. Now transitioning from an altruistic supply vessel to a covert reconnaissance asset, the drone's onboard cameras meticulously survey the terrain beneath, scouting for telltale signs of enemy troop movements, fortified positions, and artillery emplacements. As it glides surreptitiously over an adversary encampment, it captures high-resolution imagery of troop dispositions and equipment arrangements, a trove of intelligence pivotal for strategizing forthcoming offensives or circumventing heavily fortified sectors. The drone's concluding role within this mission is the most perilous. Shifting into a bomber role, the drone carries a diminutive yet potent explosive device, perhaps a Soviet-era RKG-3 anti-tank grenade weighing a mere 2.35 pounds. Identifying a high-value target, such as an enemy ammunition depot, the paper aircraft hurtles directly toward its destination, embarking on a fateful collision course. Moments later, a conflagration engulfs the depot, sowing disarray amidst the Russian ranks and inflicting havoc on their operations. Cost-effective skies. The occasional drone crash is of minimal concern, given the drone's low cost and disposability. The paper drone's affordability enables the delivery of these budget-friendly and easily replaceable drones on a large scale. Each unit costs between $1,000 to $5,000 Australian dollars, a sharp contrast to the General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, a currently deployed unmanned aerial vehicle from the United States that costs a staggering $30 million. Moreover, the Reaper demands expensive and time-intensive maintenance procedures. While the cardboard drone may have a limited lifespan spanning just a few missions, its airframe could be upgraded to a sturdier yet still cost-effective material, such as plywood. With approximately 100 Australian drones dispatched every month, the Corvo Precision Payload Delivery System (PPDS) seamlessly amalgamates innovation, cost-effectiveness, and operational efficiency, all within an impressive price range. In an interview with the British newspaper Daily Express, Ukraine's ambassador to Australia, Bushel Mirage, aptly captured the sentiments surrounding the Corvo PPDS drones. He remarked, "It looks like something the kids would play with, but when you see what it can do, it's truly astounding." Notably, reports indicate that the Ukrainian armed forces have already deployed over 60 PPDS drones on sorties to the front line, effectively navigating through demanding conditions.